Alright, hello, hello. We are going to show you guys how to set up the Dero RPC bridge because, it's straightforward once you realize how it works, but I had a hard time, so I figured probably other people will as well. First thing we're going to do is I have Firefox. We're going to add this extension. That's nice. Sure. Pin, I would just leave it there. And then next thing, which you find out if you read this little doc here, the first thing we have to do is go here. That is not going to work. We have to give it a node IP address. So we'll be using this one. If you have your own node, you can use that. But paste that in there. Maybe just gotta give it a second. We can hope. And then in the Ngram wallet over here, we go to the right. We turn that off. We can give ourselves username and password. Let's just do test and then password, super secure. Turn that on. See, connected, feels good. Now this is not going to work until you put in the username and password you just put there. So let's go test, and then password is password. And now if we click set, ta-da, as you can tell, I go back over here. Why? As it doesn't matter, but you can see I have my Dero in here. I'm connected, so now you can go to things like Dero Lotto or private islands or whatever. And yeah, hope that helped you guys.